Hi from High and welcome back. This time we are continuing our journey to Madeira.
And we explore the marina and its surroundings.
If you are new here, we are Pat and Frankie. We sold everything to start a new life on board our sailing yacht High. In our previous episode, we left secure mainland Europe. From now on, we will continue our journey between small islands in the Atlantic Ocean. The first one was Porto Santo with crystal clear blue water. Today we are going to Madeira.
Yeah, and we're looking forward. I'm so excited how Madeira is.
Now we are going to pick up the anchor and then we set our course. It's about 26 or 27 nautical miles. And when we arrive,
we are in Madeira and we are going to cut my beard.
There was this thing about your beard. We said when we were in Portugal, it will stay until we reach Madeira because that was our destination. So now, how long is it?
I'm not sure. 1.5 centimeters or something.
I'm excited for that. Bye, Porto Santo. Are you looking forward to this passage then?
Yes, but I think there's no wind, that's a bit sad.
Maybe it will pick up behind the Porto Santo.
Yeah, maybe, but we already booked the marina, so we have to.
Yeah. And how are you today?
I'm good, a bit tired.
You had a not so nice dream.
Yeah, not so nice dream. Normally I don't dream, but tonight I dreamed and it was
Horror.
not so nice, especially in the morning.
Maybe you can relax later. How did you like Porto Santo?
What we see was very nice, and for our future plans, I think at the moment Porto Santo is on place 1 for me, or in the pool position. But I think we have so many more places to see, so we will see.
Yes, I think for me it's the same. What I saw I really liked. And I think there's still so much to see on the island and do. Some hikes and some, I think, pools and nice cliffs or something, which we will do next time. So we have something to look forward to and come back. And what I really liked about Porto Santo was the calma. I think that was also what the people said. It's very slow paced and it's a nice vibe, and definitely something that we could imagine in the future to come back and do something. We will see. So it's not goodbye Porto Santo, it's see you later.
Yeah, but we learned it's always see you, not goodbye.
That's what you say on the ocean. Never goodbye. See you somewhere.
Yeah.
We arrived in Quinta do Lorde. And this is what happens after we're back in the marina. It's time to clean everything. The last time I think we really had water to clean the boat was in Vilamura on the Algarve. So now we're happy to give High a good clean. And I think the nice thing is to get all the salt off the gel coat.
Otherwise we can open a salt farm.
There's salt,
sea salt
everywhere. Salty and sweaty and dirty, not only the boat but also us. So we are also looking forward for a shower later on. And what we do, we have to clean it from the outside and from the inside. So we split it. Pat is doing the outside cleaning. And I am going to clean inside. Because it saves time and then we have more time later. And there's a boat arriving. First thing every morning is our coffee.
From our manual espresso machine.
Are you happy that we took it on the boat?
Yeah, I love it.
Me too. It's like a treat in the morning when we have a good coffee, and we do it every day. And when we don't have electricity, we can also use it with just hot water.
Papaya for breakfast.
But Captain Pat, left, right, right, left. We are off to explore Quinta de Lorde Marina for the first time. So we arrived yesterday, and it is.
Washing machine is still broken.
Washing machine is still broken. For now, we've only been to the showers and to the marina office. He's going to have a piss. And now we want to see what this little marina town has to offer. It's a really strange and also nice, calm place. And it's like a little ghost town. We've heard people say it's the place that God forgot. It's a nice place though. Let's see what it has to offer. That's where the tourist boat leaves to. We are... No, where are we?
Here.
Yeah.
Here's the marina.
And what is
Make
this?
our tour.
Casa Sardinia nature spot. And the lighthouse. This is where we came from.
Yeah, we came from here. Do you think we have enough space on the street?
Yes.
Yes.
And the interesting thing about this marina is all the other marinas we've been to, they were very busy.
And party hard.
Party hard. And on this one there's not even a gate on the entrance to the pontoons.
Oh, they have.
This is the small grocery store.
I read somewhere that you can order bread for breakfast.
Really?
And they bring you
To the boat?
to the boat, or you can catch it
Nice.
anywhere.
Maybe we can try that one day.
Fresh bread every day.
That's not bad. This is the restaurant here. One person sitting.
Totally crowded.
I think we should make reservations. But we have to say, although this place is really quiet, it has its charm. Because in the back here you can see a very high cliff. It's really beautiful scenery. And to be honest, I'm really craving, or I was really craving, a quiet place to get some work done, to sort out some thoughts, and to chill, wash everything. Just a nice quiet place like this. Looks cool.
This is the whole marina. There's a resort, but it's closed. And maybe it will open the next months. And here's high. And it's a smaller marina. I think they have 100 and something berths. And here's the entrance. To the left there is the airport.
The crazy airport.
I think there's a new boat coming.
Oh!
It's very special here in the marina. You wait outside and then a dinghy is coming and collecting you and shows you
The space.
the space where you can berth.
This is how it happens here. So there's the boat showing the place, and when we arrived yesterday, that's what they always do. They go out to sea, they tell you on what side to put the fenders, and then off you go. Okay, let's go find the bus stop.
Yeah, I think it's over there.
Exploring Quinta de Lorde.
Yeah, so many nice boats, but at the moment I wouldn't change ours.
Me neither. Yesterday when we arrived in the marina, you said, "Hi from high." We are sailing yacht high, and they found it really funny. It was a little bit dorky, high from high, but they were so friendly here. And we've just walked around the corner.
Look here! So many crabs!
Crabs? Wow! This was all designed as a hotel.
Yeah, and this is a walk through Ghost Town. Yeah. Famous for his hikes. And this is still a hike.
A hike?
To go to the bus station.
To the bus station. Pretty.
Oh.
Can I have it? I want it. Huh?
It's for you. Oh.
Oh.
It's amazing. And the view is amazing. Massive.
Huge. Crazy landscape. It's like in a desert.
What about these ones over there?
Which ones?
These.
Yeah, I think they're a little bit better.
What are you doing?
We are on a mission to pick some aloe vera, which is everywhere here, everywhere you look. And I want to make some gel for the skin and also some drinks. So now we found a nice one and I'm cutting off the thorns and then we will take it home.
Do you think this one is good?
I'm excited when we cut it open. If this one is good. I think so. Welcome to a new series of Eat What You Find. And this is a cactus fig. I need your lemon. Got it. Should we eat it now?
Why not?
Ah, fuck.
What are you doing?
Fell.
The only snack of this week. How is it?
Sweet. Like, do you know kaki fruit?
Yes.
Tastes like kaki.
Mmm.
Fresh from the cactus.
That as a child, you always did the Adiletten white throwing like this. Whoa! It was not white, it was just high.
I also did it, but on a swing when we were soccer.
Yeah.
And then
Please think about who I am now. 1 second. Oh, there's a car coming. It's impossible at the moment. Okay. Who I am.
this is my road.
Who I am.
Get off my road. Mine. We are back from picking our aloe vera and we found 2 really nice ones, big ones. And now I'm going to cut them, put them into water and then let's see if we can make some gel. And I'm very excited, I love doing these kind of things. And we found 2 really cool ones. I think the last one we got, this one was the first one. It's kind of small and this one is huge. It would weigh about maybe 4 kilos. let's go into slices. And now we're going to put them into water. These are the finished cut pieces. My babe is working on some interesting stuff. Oh. Launching soon, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Are you excited?
I'm excited, definitely.
Me too. Finally, we are here in Madeira and have blocked some time to get some work done. We've got a big fat list and we want to check everything off so that afterwards we can take some time for a holiday that we have also been longing for. A holiday which is just for exploring, because even though we've been experiencing so much cool and nice things in the last month, we haven't had time off since New Year's. So now we are looking forward to drink in the morning, sleep late, explore the island. So therefore we are getting all the work done. And I'm going to make a lasagna now, because later we will get some, we will have somebody visiting us from another boat. And I'm going to make lasagna with fresh pasta.
Thanks for watching and supporting us.
From culinary bliss to nature's embrace, our island escaped turned wild when a storm crashed the party. The island definitely brought us the most variety of experiences we had so far. So hit subscribe that you don't miss the next episode.